May mga plano tayo na hindi natupad sa timeline natin. Pero sabi nga, God is never late, nor early. He is always on time. The scar, the pain, the struggle, it's all part of it. Success is no accident, not even by chance or luck. Habang tulog pa sila, tumatrabaho ka na. Habang nagsasaya sila, humahataw ka pa. And even if you feel like starting all over again, know that you're trying with much bigger faith and strength than you had before. Your harvest will come. Ituloy mo. But this time, isama mo siya. Remember, you're born to be phenomenal.